to all my viewers. This is Breaking Barriers, and this is your podcaster Prarthana Hajarika, right here from Guwahati, connecting with a wonderful human being, a cricketer who needs no introduction. Well, she has done so much for cricket, and during her career as a young girl, a young cricketer, a batter, and now she is mentoring a lot of young girls across India. You just name it, and she has done it all. Be it the batting coach, bowling coach, and what not. She has done it all. She's also been a head coach for a lot of team. And let me welcome Suman Sharma. Thank you so much for joining in. You can hear it from my voice. I'm super excited about this episode of my podcast, and you know the reason why.
Thank you so much, Pratna, for inviting me to talk about women's cricket. So, from many years, I am working. I played cricket. I enjoyed passionately this game. After that, after leaving playing, after that, I started coaching. And after that, coaching has become professional. And every time I uh, work with my players, I feel so happy. And it is, you can say, ultimate happiness in my life.
Absolutely. I can really feel it, when I see, ex-cricketers like you coming to field and coming in the forefront, leading from the front and mentoring young girls, young women from across India and, making them understand that, cricket is a place where you can make a career and it's wonderful. And with the ICC Women's World Cup 2025 just knocking the doors now, such an opportunity, isn't it? Such a huge platform for all these young women. What's your take on this?
I feel that that India is hosting World Cup, which is going to has huge impact on the young players and the young girls to take it as a profession. And also, this is something that women can show that they are very strong, and they can prove that yeah, they are the best by playing any sports. And of course, cricket is very big in our country.
Absolutely.
And now, after you can say 2017 World Cup, when it is shown in the TV, and everybody got to know that there are big players like Harman. There is in 2017 World Cup, Veda was too good. She hit beautiful runs, and with her flow of bat, she hit good sixes and boundaries. So, which create a lot of enthusiasm in the viewers. So
Right.
I'll share you one example during that day, that period when the Women World Cup was going on. I was traveling in a Ola car.
Right.
So the guy, he was talking to someone, and he was taking the names of women cricketers. So I felt very happy to hear from someone, who
That,
really get a time to.
yes. Yeah. That's so fabulous, isn't it? And look at the way,
Yeah.
Harmanpreet and all, these girls are, kind of leading from the front. They are playing hard cricket. They are inspiring people, in different nook and corner of the country. I won't say that, there are women cricketers only from the metros, but there are girls now coming in from remotest areas because they want to make a change. And what better way than watching World Cup matches right in front in their stadiums at their home ground? This is a wonderful opportunity for them.
Yeah, yeah, of course. I coached not much in metro cities. I coached mostly 10, 12 years in Kerala, where the tribal girls used to come to play cricket.
Right.
And now I shifted to Odisha. So there also the many people from tribal areas, or you can say remote areas,
Right.
they're coming to play forward. But this all has happened because of that the cricket shown in the TV, and a lot of publicity is there for women's cricket. And also not only that, the way the girls are playing, you can see Smriti Mandhana
Yeah.
batting or Harman Preet batting. So it gives you a lot of, happiness to watch them playing.
Yes, yes. The kind of satisfaction, you get. And women's cricket is such big now. If I may ask you
Yeah.
about the big money that has been announced, the prize money, the winner money that has been announced by ICC. This itself is a historical landmark, I would say. Don't you think this is going
Yeah.
to inspire so many girls, so many, not only girls, their guardians that, हाँ मेरी बेटी अभी cricket खेल सकती है because there are money coming in. There are, people are recognizing the craft that these, athletes are displaying, and the kind of focus they are, the kind of facilities, the platforms, and what else do you need?
Yes, of course. After introducing this prize money, which is very huge, it is not only equal, I feel that it is more than the men's are getting.
Right.
It, of course, it will make parents or to promote their girls to play cricket professionally. Earlier, it is they used to say that, okay, खेल के क्या करोगे?
खेलोगे कूदोगे.
What will you get? Like, हाँ हाँ कि आपका ये करियर तो नहीं है. Ultimately, you have to do some job or something. But after this much of money is coming into the game by WPL and the World Cup, and the BCCI has taken a big step for the prize money. So it will motivate many parents, many young girls to take it up as a professional. I can say after WPL also, the entire sports in India has changed in 2 3 years.
Right.
Like I am involved in the cricket in domestic level also, so there I am seeing a huge difference in the approach of the girls.
Hmm.
Now the capacity to hit sixes has become huge. That hitting the areas, like they know that what they wanted to do while bowling also. The fielding has become lot of diving, sliding. You can, if you watch the domestic cricket also,
Right.
it has a huge change, I can say.
And with the World Cup now in India, these girls can literally go and see a Harmanpreet batting and leading the team. All the girls in the playing 11 and the team, they are such a star. They're huge icons. They're idols for these young girls. If I may say, in Guwahati, the inauguration match will be between India and Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
And this is going to be really, really exciting also because the local girl, Uma Chetri, wicket-keeping batter, is in the team. So,
Yeah.
how big is this going to have an impact on the local girls and, of course, the girls who can, stadium pe aake dekhna is something, an inspiration itself because you are mentoring so much of girls now. You know the psyche of these young girls. What do you think? How big is this going to have an impact on these girls?
Locally, if the girls will watch the matches, like they watch the match in the stadium, so the environment, the vibes there motivate a lot when you see the matches in front of your eyes happening. So it motivates, and in that place, it is going to be it is going to get many girls to play cricket, motivate many young girls to play cricket.
You have seen a lot of cricket, starting from you as a cricketer and now mentoring. Look at the kind of huge shift, the paradigm shift, the huge positive shift that has been seen in the recent times now with so many girls coming up. Do you think that it's not just the money is the factor, but also like you mentioned earlier about the women matches being shown live telecasted on television, people can kind of relate that those cricketers with themselves, with their daughters, with their sisters maybe.
यस जब से वुमेन्स क्रिकेट को टीवी पे बहुत ज्यादा लाइक
दिखाया
दिखाना
गया
शुरू
है.
किया है, तब से लोगों का जो माइंडसेट है वो काफी चेंज हो गया है। जो पहले लाइक आई शेयर यू माय एक्सपीरियंस, जब हम लोग खेलते थे
Right.
तो रेयरली हमारी फैमिली के अलावा हार्डली कुछ लोग जानते थे, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर पे वो जब परफॉर्म करते थे तो कटिंग आती थी, या इंडिया भी खेलते थे तो रेयरली 2 4 5 लोगों को लोग जानते थे। लाइक शांता को जानते थे, डायना को जानते थे, शुभांगी को जानते थे, संध्या अग्रवाल को जानते थे, बट नॉट मोर देन देम। और उसके बाद जब हम लोग खेलते थे तो उस टाइम पे भी थोड़ा बहुत जो न्यूज़पेपर पे आता था तो मोहल्ले के कुछ लोग जानते थे, और मे बी कॉलेज में जहाँ पे हम प्रैक्टिस करते थे So these people only knows.
Right.
But now जब से ये क्रिकेट टीवी पे दिखाना शुरू हुआ है, so every each and every person watching, कई बार like आप if you go to some friend's place or somewhere, so their brothers or their families are watch they used to watch women's matches also, and they knew that Harman is playing और स्मृति मंदाना की बैटिंग आने वाली है, तो they are curious about कि हाँ अब इनकी बैटिंग आने वाली है, we want to watch them. सो इससे बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हुआ है. और वुमेन्स क्रिकेट लाइक आई हैव सीन इट फ्रॉम प्लेइंग डेज, सो टिल नाउ दैट the huge change after merging in the women's cricket into BCCI has a big change in the women's cricket, and after that introduction of NCA has come into picture for training of the players. So that time all these players like Jhulan, Mithali, they used to be in the camps. So उधर से जो professionalism BCCI में merger के बाद जो professionalism आया, it has made huge impact on the women's cricket. The standard, the fitness standard, the fielding standard, and the approach towards the game has changed, which is
Absolutely.
big, very big.
Absolutely. And another historic decision that was taken by the ICC is that, this historic Women's World Cup will have all female match officials. Isn't that really fantastic? Promoting women and being committed to the sport and being very, very dedicated and trying to spread the sport of cricket among different people, different, caste and creed, different, region in India. Because we know we belong to a country which has different ethnic tribes, different, states have different people preferences. But ICC now has given an example every day that we are very, very dedicated and committed in developing women's sports in not only India but across the globe.
BCCI has taken a very big step on introducing that all the officials will be those who are conducting the
Yes,
matches are going to be women. So पहले क्या होता था कि सिर्फ जो खेल रहे होते थे, those who were the players, they were only used to get that, they used to be seen.
yeah,
Now India से बहुत सारे match referee like Lakshmi is there, who is the one of the best ICC match referee.
right.
और उसके बाद Gayatri and all these people umpires, they are coming into the picture and they are doing really well. और उनको grow करने के लिए BCCI is giving them chances to to do the umpiring in the men's games also, Ranji games also. That exposure to women has become very huge, and it is helping the women's not to take up the game also in administration, in officiating the matches.
Matches,
So
yes.
now there is huge place for the girls to expand their success and reaching their dreams in different ways. So it is also a huge decision taken by BCCI, and which will help many of the women to come and be the part of the system, the bigger system.
Absolutely. और अगर जब when you see that बहुत ज़्यादा women involved है, ex cricketers, current players, in administration जैसे कि आपने बताया, in administration or in officiating matches and in every sense as coaches, as support staff, it becomes much more a comfort zone for girls also to come in and join the sport rather than practicing or training with some other people. And like you said, it's a big boost. Another big story is rupees 100. एक टिकट का दाम 100 में रखा हुआ है, which is absolutely a huge step taken by the ICC and along with BCCI so that they can attract spectators to the stadium. Spectators अगर आएंगे stadium पे, this is also going to be a huge boost for the cricketing teams, for the players also, because जब आपको देखने के लिए लोग आएंगे stadium पे, you automatically you can feel that energy coming in, isn't it?
It will be a big motivation for the players also that so many people are coming to watch their matches. उसमें like uh, in itself, it is a big motivation that so many people are the stadium is full of people
Right.
and their crowd is
Cheering for them.
motivating, cheering the different. It is not only they're going to motivate only Indian players, they're going to motivate the good cricket
Yes.
which is going to be played in the stadium. So it will be a big boost not only to the Indian cricketers as a whole, to the women cricketers.
What changes have you seen in the attitude and mindset of the female cricketers in this part of the country? I mean, in India.
I'll tell you one story. I was coaching locally in Delhi. So one small girl of 14 year of age, she came to practice with me. तो वो आके मुझे बताती है कि आज का मेरा प्लान क्या है।
Hmm.
She wasn't, वो कोच से पूछते थे कि आज हमें क्या करना है।
Yes.
She came to me and she told me कि आज मेरे को लॉफ्टेड शॉट्स पे काम करना है एंड आई विल वर्क ऑन स्वीप। एंड देन आफ्टर 2-3 days शी केम टू मी एंड टेलिंग मी कि मैंने थोड़ा सा ना लेग स्पिन पे काम किया है, देखो ये कैसे हो रहा है।
Hmm.
So now the mindset of the young generation is has changed. वो आके बताते हैं कि what they want. So that attitude from the days when we used to look up to the only coaches or mentors, ki they have to tell us that what what they have to do. Now the players are watching the matches and watching not only women matches, they are watching the men's game also. So their thinking process has changed, like that that attacking mindset has become, that approach has changed drastically कि नहीं अब ऐसे नहीं, मतलब मतलब सेफ गेम नहीं खेलना। वी वांटेड टू अटैक, वी वांटेड टू हिट सिक्सेस, बिग सिक्सेस, और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शॉट्स खेल सकते हैं या डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस। सो दे themselves आर कमिंग forward and telling us how they wanted to play the game.
Absolutely. If I talk about, take you back to the first game between India and Sri Lanka, and most importantly, agar बात करें Team India की, do you think कि home they are being the host country? So do you think host country will have a lot of pressure, or they will have an advantage of the home ground?
It can be a double-edged sword. It can motivate the players if they think, or but other side there is a lot of pressure on them to be वो क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में कि उस पे खरा उतरना उतरना पड़ेगा उनको
Yes,
लोगों
lot
की
of
एक्सपेक्टेशन पे।
expectations. Yes, yes.
हाँ, सो बहुत सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस होंगी, तो तो वो मोटिवेट भी कर सकता है
Hmm.
प्लेयर्स को काफी सारा, कि इतने सारे लोग देखने के लिए आए हैं एंड दे नो दैट पिच कंडीशंस, द वेदर कंडीशंस, ऑल द कंडीशंस दे नो better, but still there is lot of expectations from the people, so that can be both side.
Yes. Advantages of knowing the wickets at home, the weather suits them, and they know about each and every, cricketers in the country. But again, there will be a lot of pressure because people will be looking up to Team India and being the host country. And there are so much expectations. When I talk about the World Cup, when I was having a quite a chit chat with some of my friends, they are saying like, "Hey, India ko to, they have to win." So मैंने बोला कि what do you mean they have to win? Obviously, every player, every team wants to win, and especially when it comes to a World Cup, which is once in a lifetime for every cricketer. It's been a dream for every cricketer, be it a men or a women cricketer. So obviously, there are so much of expectations from people across their fans, and also talking about officials. Are the women officials will also be under pressure because there will be crowd cheering agar ek wrong decision, and obviously you'll be under a lot of pressure. So pressure is not only for the players but also for the officials also.
So उसमें ऑफिशियल्स के लिए भी कि like for the first time the whole staff, whole the woman administration or woman
Officials, yes,
staff is
officiating them.
conducting the matches, officiating the matches. So then ऊपर भी बहुत प्रेशर है कि obviously there is mindset of people.
So this ICC World Cup is also like, bringing women cricketers, the former cricketers, and everybody together and making it a historical moment, a landmark for women cricket in a history.
Like पहले क्या होता था कि खेलने तक ही हम लोग लिमिट रहते थे
जी।
कि खेलने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे। पर बीसीसीआई ने नाउ इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर्मर प्लेयर्स के लिए भी बोर्ड पे ला दी हैं कि दे कैन कोच द टीम, दे कैन बी द ट्रेनर, दे कैन बी द मैच रेफरी, दे कैन बी द अंपायर्स। और नहीं तो देर आर लॉट ऑफ वुमेन क्रिकेटर्स, जो एक्स वुमेन क्रिकेटर्स हैं, वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लाइक अंजुम चोपड़ा वो कमेंट्री में आ गई, या लीजा स्थालेकर आ गई, या रीमा मल्होत्रा का नाम ले सकते हैं। सो अब वो सिर्फ ये नहीं कि खेलने के बाद खत्म हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है। अभी दे आर कमिंग इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्ट्रेंथ में कि uh, जैसे झूलन का केस ले लो, शी इज मेंटरिंग द मुंबई इंडियंस।
Yes.
और या फिर मिथाली को ले लो, वो आप आंध्रा टीम को मेंटर कर रही है। और मैनी मैनी एक्स क्रिकेटर्स, कुछ लोग सेलेक्टर्स बन गए और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में आ गए, एंड देन काफी सारे कोचेस जो एक्स इंडिया प्लेयर्स और एक्स प्लेयर्स यू कैन से, सबके सब कोचिंग में या ट्रेनिंग में। सो ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ खेलेंगे। अभी देर आर लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, अगर आप गेम को छोड़ भी देते हैं तो सक्सेस उसके बाद भी है इन डिफरेंट कैपेसिटीज।
Last, may I want to know from you, how is this World Cup, this 13th edition of World Cup, which has eight cricket teams and with a huge prize money, with so much of huge facilities, how is this going to change women cricket in India in the days to come?
अभी मैंने पहले बताया कि डब्ल्यूपीएल के आने से कितना बड़ा चेंज आया।
जी।
और अब जब वुमेन वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया में हो रहा है, तो जैसे मेंस क्रिकेट आप कहें वर्ल्ड कप जीतने के बाद 1983 के
Yes, it
वर्ल्ड
was a
कप जीतने
landmark.
के बाद, उसमें उसके बाद जो मेंस क्रिकेट था वो एकदम से पीक पे आ गया। सो मुझे लगता है कि इस वर्ल्ड कप के बाद और जो कि इंडिया में हो रहा है, तो उसके बाद भी वुमेन्स क्रिकेट भी उस स्पीड से या उससे फास्टर स्पीड पे, क्योंकि ये नई जनरेशन है, इट इज गोइंग टू बी मच फास्टर देन दैट। और जो लेवल ऑफ क्रिकेट इंडिया में है, इट इज गोइंग टू बिकम वेरी बिग एंड वेरी ह्यूज। और ऐसे लगता है कि आने वाले टाइम पे इट इज गोइंग टू बी ए वेरी बिग स्पोर्ट्स इन इंडिया।
Who are the players that you're looking for in this World Cup to score big, to get some wonderful, wickets, and to make surprisingly great performances? Would you like to pick your favorite five, if I may say?
द हरमन इज द मोस्ट फेवरेट फॉर मी।
Right.
उसका रीजन ये है कि आई एम सीइंग हर फ्रॉम हर चाइल्डहुड। जब उसने पहला टूर्नामेंट खेला था बीसीसीआई में मर्जर के बाद, अंडर 19 खेल रहे थे हम लोग, ऊना में खेल रहे थे, तो आई वाज द कोच ऑफ दिल्ली टीम। तो उस टाइम पे उस टाइम पे सिस्टम ऐसे होता था कि जोनल वाइज होते थे, तो दिल्ली, पंजाब और हरियाणा, जम्मू कश्मीर, ये टीम्स थी। तो उसमें एक बड़ा शोर मचा कि एक पतली सी छोटी सी लड़की है जो जो सबसे बड़ा एरिया है बाउंड्री का, उस पे छक्के मार रही है। तो दैट वाज हरमनप्रीत कौर। सो और उसके बाद मैंने उसके साथ जितना काम किया है इन एनसीए कैंप्स और इंडिया टीम में भी, तो शी इज अ वंडरफुल पर्सन। अगर उससे आप मिलो तो वो बिल्कुल नॉर्थ इंडियन स्टाइल आपको आएगी, हक करेगी, पाजी किदा, यू नो
Yeah.
एंड
Yeah.
द वे शी प्लेज, वो जो गेम को एकदम से चेंज कर देती है जैसे ही वो अंदर आती है। शी टेक्स सम बॉल्स, बट उसके बाद जब वो उसकी स्कोरिंग मशीन स्टार्ट होती है तो इट इज अनस्टॉपेबल।
Right.
दूसरा स्मृति मंदाना ऑफ कोर्स, उसको भी हम देख रहे हैं। और मुझे लगता है कि आई एम बायस्ड, so I am biased that I am going to take the names of Indians only.
Right. No worries. No worries. It's
बट
purely
उसमें
entertaining.
मैं सफेद लक्ष्मण का नाम लूंगी।
Okay.
शी इज a magic. So I feel and I look for Cap, Marizana Cap.
Hmm.
She is also one of the amazing bowler I see. So so Harman Smriti, and you can say Deepthi Sharma, and I can take the name of Sneh Rana also. उसकी जो fighting spirit है, which is amazing. So I can name these fews.
On that, Suman Sharma, thank you so much for speaking your heart out and being in this arena for so long. There's so much of experience with you. आया आज बहुत अच्छा लगा. I don't think so. I wanted to end this episode of my podcast. I wanted to continue because when it comes to women cricket, women's sports, I love listening their stories. ये जब अच्छे खेलते हैं ना, we get to write so much good about them. We get to speak good about them,
Yes.
and this is the positivity. This is the magic of cricket in India. This is the magic of the sport in India. And let's hope the ICC Women's World Cup 2025 brings in lots of positive stories. On that very note, thank you so much, Sumanjit, for joining in this podcast.
Thank you, Pratna.
It was wonderful talking
Thank
to
you.
you.
Thank you. Same here.
Thank you.